So this is my visitor here today. He was at the garden here, also all over here. This is his place. Sitambulish.
Eh. Hi, my name is Samuel Wachira.
Mhm.
This is my place.
No.
Oh, okay. This is my garden. You see, you can see nabi
This is
grass.
napier grass.
This is groundnuts, spinach nursery.
All over here.
Those are carrots.
There's some carrots there.
Those are passion fruits.
There are some passion fruits there. And that one is my vigilant. It's over there.
Okay.
So, what do you think of starting garden? Because you had a big job, like.
Life must move.
Yeah.
Life must move in every angle. Business doesn't help. So I wake up every morning. When I take tea, I come to
work.
I must keep myself busy. Yeah. I must keep myself busy in any way. Yeah. I have tea leaves, tea plantation there along the road. I have a cow.
How many cows do you have? 3, 2.
This time is 2. 1.
2.
Yeah, 2.
That's very nice because buying milk today is like expensive. We buy milk every day. We spend like $1 and $1 like buying only milk. You have not bought sugar. You have not bought tea leaves. So you see, he has a cow. Like, when did you retire? Like, did you retire or just left a job?
I retired 2014.
2014, you retired.
Yeah, since that time I'm here. Yeah. Working, I have children.
They have jobs like?
Not many.
Not many. How much they have?
It is only say one. One is a teacher.
One is a
teacher.
teacher.
Is a primary teacher.
And where were you working? You were also a teacher, like?
No. I used to work with cotton lint at the city market board. I don't know what you know. Cotton lint and the city marketing board.
Where is that one?
And I was dealing with the cotton.
You were dealing like dealing with cotton. I don't know whether those cotton clothes. Yeah.
Formerly we used to call the cotton lint and city marketing board. They used to sell those lint. The cotton when we have removed the seeds, it is called a lint.
It's called
cotton lint.
I should start learning.
Cotton lint and the city marketing board. And the seeds are used to make the oil, this cooking oil.
The cooking oil that is very expensive at the supermarket.
Yeah, some those the remaining can be used for feeding cattle.
Feeds for cows. So
and the parastato reach a time, parastato sometimes they collapse.
They collapse because of the managers.
because of management or because of the agents supposed to use to give. Mostly parastato boards they don't make profits. We used to educate people how to plant.
That's why you have embarked on agriculture. Like.
That's why we should be working.
It's very much amazing. Like, I'm amazed of you. You are very strong. You know, when you go working like this every day, you remain strong.
Yeah, of course.
People may ask you how many years are you now? Because they may wonder that man is strong.
I'm 66.
Because of 66 and it's very strong like this.
66.
He's working hard. Don't stay outside there. If you have retired, you will be old. That's why he's here. So what do you tell about those people who have retired and they've just been seated there outside? Wanachukua kitu wanakaa hapo.
No. You should keep yourself busy. You don't depend mostly about with children. I have children. Even one of my daughter, she's in US here.
You see?
But I should work.
You should work because you are keeping your life strong. Because every day means be strong every day. Every day you should be strong.
I'm strong and I cannot like to depend on somebody. What if she stopped giving an 8? Where can I go?
That's very nice, actually. when your body is flexible, it means that you no sickness because the body always works every day. Like
every day you must work.
Yeah.
You see, I brought a cargo for me. Yeah. Normally, most people here we have a small land. We don't bring this. People they are amazing. They are amazed.
Your land is small.
When they see
your land is from there.
Yeah, from that one. That one.
Up to here.
Yeah, it's a small land.
That's a big land. That's a
but
big land.
I have 2 boys, 5 girls. Yeah, the boys are not around.
They are not. Nobody is at home. It's only you.
It's only me.
Only you.
I don't have a wife.
And where is the wife?
The wife left me about 3 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's very bad. Even me, myself, I don't have parents.
Yeah.
I don't have my dad. I don't have my mom. That's why I'm struggling here and there.
Oh, yeah.
Looking maybe for some food to eat.
Yeah, you have to struggle.
Begging is also you don't need to beg every day. You have that energy to walk here and there.
Yeah, you don't need to beg.
So what can you tell those people who are outside there? Maybe those ones who don't want to work. You drink.
I don't drink. I used to drink, but I don't drink.
You don't drink?
I used to drink, but I left.
Oh, that's very nice. That's why you are strong. If you gonna continue to drinking, you would have not been here.
Yes.
Because drinking is another disgusting thing. So be strong always.
Yeah.
I will continue praying for you. Maybe to Kija Ukuzu, I will continue coming to see you. How long has this been?
Of course, I will be very glad.
So the people who are outside there,
they should work. Laziness doesn't beg. There's no help. And begging is not welcome. Because if you don't work, you should beg. How can you stay without working? So you should have somebody who can support you.
No one is going to support you. Even your child may leave you outside there. Even me, I have my own issues that I'm going to settle.
I've told you, I have a daughter in America, but I still come to farm. She can help me even I can sit. Only my stomach is
not. Daddy, don't go to work.
Don't go to work.
I'm
I should.
To pay someone to work for you.
But I should.
You should. That's why your body should be flexible so that you unaongeza masiku.
What can I do at home now? I'm not feeling unwell.
Yeah?
So everybody should work, and if you have anything, you should.
If you are retired outside there, just come out. You have a small garden, plant some things. It depends how you are going to arrange your garden. A lot of things. This is money here. You know how much is the groundnuts? The groundnuts is $3. Is it 300 shillings?
About 5. About 5.
Now I know they are expensive.
They are expensive. About 500.
500. What? That's when you are planted like this, you have saved the wholesale thing. You have sold the retail thing. Everything, the money will keep in your pocket. So, thank you so much.
I want to plant everything. You see, that is pumpkin.
Even pumpkin is there.
So if I need those vegetables, I cut.
It's going to buy only sugar. Do you take sugar?
No, I don't like sugar.
It doesn't take sugar, so take away sugar. Do you take salt?
A little.
A little salt. Kinunua ile ya shing 15 stays for 1 month.
I have a few hens.
You see?
That I get an egg from that place.
He doesn't buy eggs. What do you think about the life at the village and the life in town? The life in the village, like now, everything here is fresh. What do you think about town when you were staying at town?
It's okay for young people. Because I encourage also my children don't stay.
So we are going to do some. So guys, this is his home here. This is his home. And only the dad at home, no one here. This one is making tea. Tea, that's why you sit like that. So he wants to go to church. I was like, this is why we put the chair. Only one chicken. Wow. So he said he has a cow. And that is it. Yeah. So I love to wash my hands. See what we are going to eat. Cocoa. Corn. So corn. Oh. This is. So let's pray, Father, in the name of Jesus. We thank you for the food. You have given us a chance. We have come to feast this here. So help me. So that the strength always when he wakes up, may you his leader every day. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. You see ya. Hey, hello. Unasikia your porridge?
Hiyo ina sukari.
If you have to grow old, you have not to take sugar. Yeah, yeah. This is the home of my uncle. Yeah. He's here. Yeah. Can you comment if it's from the garden? This is our dad here. I hope you may have a wonderful day. As you go, he's going to church. He's going to church. So I love all the people who are outside there. Be on a good heart as everyone that you see. And don't welcome anyone at your home. You may not you may not know who you are welcoming. But this is my privilege here. I am with him here. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please go subscribe. His daughter is at the US. I don't know whether I wanna send him a ring. So you wanna watch YouTube. You wanna send the ring to the daughter, and then you will watch him the video that I had put. I am going to put on YouTube. So thank you so much.
Okay, asante. Asante.
Asante.